getting another job. They said one woman that will be working with one woman, said they are rich, that they need someone that will be coming as the housekeeper. I'll take care of the house, sort the food.
Ajona,
my husband needs me. I need to be with my husband.
It's okay. What do you want?
I just want my family to be okay.
Tí àwa bá fún ẹ, kí ni wọ́n máa fún àwa?
Ṣé máa gba kẹ̀kẹ́ márúwá? Abẹ́fẹ́ tẹlifíṣàn.
Mo fẹ́ èso. Àti súnmọ́.
Àwọn ìsìnkú káórì wọ́n ti fún mi ní agbára láti tẹ́ ètò àti akẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mọ́lẹ̀. Àwọ̀ ayé, àròbá tẹ̀sẹ̀, àwọ̀ ilẹ̀, tá a bá jẹ́ fún ayé, àyẹ́ ṣe gágágágá.
Wọ́n máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa èso, ó ló jẹ́ fruit of more ọmọ bẹ́ẹ̀.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a powerful, emotional and spiritually intense Yoruba movie titled Fruit Covenant, starring amazing Toyin Abraham Ajeyemi, OLAROTIMI, FAKUNLE and veteran actress Jumoke George. If you love movies filled with family struggles, faith, suspense, spiritual lessons, and emotional twists, then this is definitely one you should pay attention to. Before we continue, kindly hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our movie reviews and recap. Now, let's get into it. Fruit Covenant follows the emotional journey of a struggling family trying to survive harsh financial conditions. And at the center of the story is a hardworking husband, his loving wife, Adun, and their 3 children. Life is extremely difficult for them. They struggle daily to survive. Food is not guaranteed. School fees are a dream. And hope seems very far away. Their daughter, Favor, is especially affected as she desperately wants to continue her education, but poverty keeps delaying her admission. Despite everything, Adun remains strong. She supports her husband and keeps the family together emotionally, even when things are falling apart financially. In the middle of their struggle, Adun gets a job as a housekeeper in the home of a wealthy and influential woman. At first, everything looks perfect. The woman appears kind, prayerful, and God-fearing. She treats Adun well, feeds her, and even encourages her to pray freely in her house. Adun begins to admire her lifestyle, the comfort, the wealth, the peace, and slowly, she begins to wish her own family could experience the same life. But as the saying goes, not everything that shines is gold. As blessing begins to suddenly enter Adun's family, things start to look too good to be true. Financial breakthroughs happen unexpectedly, opportunities begin to open, and life starts to change for the better. But behind these blessings lie a dark and dangerous secret. The movie slowly reveals that the source of this sudden prosperity is not as pure as it seems. And Adun is unknowingly tied to something far more spiritual and deadly than she ever imagined. Toyin Abraham delivers a very strong and emotional performance as Adun. She captures the pain, hope, confusion, and regret of a struggling mother perfectly. Jumoke George also stands out with her commanding presence, giving the film a strong spiritual and emotional weight. OLAROTIMI FAKUNLE plays the role of a determined husband who only wants a better life for his family, and his performance feels very natural and believable. The chemistry between the cast makes the story feel real and deeply emotional. One of the strongest parts of Fruit Covenant is its emotional depth. It shows the pain of poverty, the desperation for survival, the danger of blind trust, the spiritual consequences of shortcuts in life. The suspense is also well built. The movie does not rush its message, which makes the impact stronger when the truth is finally revealed. There are few predictable moments, especially if you're familiar with spiritual Nollywood storyline. However, it does not ruin the experience because the emotional storytelling carries the film very well. So what do I think about Fruit Covenant? After considering the acting, emotional impact, storytelling, message, and production quality, I will rate Fruit Covenant 8 out of 10. It's a very strong, emotional, and thought-provoking movie with a powerful life lesson about patience, faith, and the danger of rushing into quick blessings. Now over to you. Have you watched Fruit Covenant? What do you think about Adun's story and the twist in the movie? Drop your thoughts in the comment section. I really want to hear from you. And if you haven't watched it yet, don't miss it. Go and watch the full movie on Toyin Abraham TV1 and experience the full emotional journey yourself. If you enjoyed this review, please like this video, drop a comment, subscribe to this channel, share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next review. Stay blessed and keep enjoying quality Nollywood movies.